Everybody, and today I have come up with a new recipe, that is Ambbo puddighanaenae or dry mango pickle, and welcome you all to my channel Kerala GSB Konkani dishes. Now puddighanaenae, it is a type of dry pickle, and drying is usually done to remove water content, so the pickle will have longer shelf life than other types of watery pickles. Lemon, fruit, gooseberry, bilimbi and raw mango are the fruits that are usually used to prepare dry pickle. The method of drying the pickle is also different from one fruit to another fruit. So drying is mainly of two types, that is sun drying and the other is roasting. Lemon is usually roasted, whereas star fruit, bilimbi and raw mango are usually sun dried. The difference in roasting the pickles will also affect the texture, flavor and taste of the pickle prepared. And these dry pickles, they have longer shelf life, even up to 1 year, and you can store them without any fungal or bacterial attacks. So it is always better to have dry containers for preparing these pickles. While serving, use a dry spoon also. Then you can even sun dry the bottles in which you want to store the pickle. Even the mixie jar in which you want to prepare the dry roasted powder can also be sun dried and used. Now for dry mango pickle, I have sun dried the mango. Then these pickles can be had with variety of dishes, that is along with rice and dali toy, with rontasa and rontasan toy. Then idli, dosha, sambar, sandan, udda, appo, hitto, along with chapati also. You can have this Ambbo dry mango pickle or Ambbo puddighanaenae. Ingredients: you need 3 raw mangoes, the size of which I have shown in the photograph. For the dry roasted powder, you need 2 teaspoon mustard, half teaspoon fenugreek seeds, half teaspoon asafoetida, 2 tablespoon red chili powder, 2 tablespoon salt and gingerly oil. So wash and pat dry the raw mangoes and cut them into pieces as shown. Smear with salt and leave it to dry in the sun. If it is very sunny and the temperature is high, you need only 1 day to dry them. If not, dry them in such a way that moisture content will be left out of the mangoes. This is for the mangoes to get coated with dry roasted powder and also for long duration of storing. If it becomes dried completely, then the dry roasted powder will not get coated uniformly to the mango pieces. Once dried, this is the photograph of the dried mangoes. Then once the mangoes have dried, then you have to start preparing the dry roasted powder. First, in a kadai, add a small drop of gingerly oil, add the mustard seeds and let them get slightly roasted. Use a low flame for this. Transfer them to the mixture. Next, roast the methi seeds and transfer them to the mixer. Grind the mustard and methi seeds to a fine powder. Now add 1 tablespoon of gingerly oil to the kadai and roast the mangoes. Slight roasting is enough. See that you do not roast them crisp, as the mangoes have to remain soft while biting. Now add the mustard and methi seed powder. So this is the photograph of how it will be after roasting. Then now add the mustard and methi seed powder, chili powder, asafoetida and salt. Salt you have to be very careful while adding, because while drying itself we have added some salt to the mango. So see the salt content in the mango before adding salt in this step. Then mix well. Once cover it to a clean sun dried bottle. Your Ambbo puddighanaenae is ready. Thank you for watching my channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. In this channel, I will be coming up with new recipes of Kerala GSB style cooking. So please keep watching my channel regularly. Thank you.